Hello friends, how are you? Today I will show you free internet. Now I will show you YouTube. My YouTube is working? Yeah, no working. Go to YouTube. See, not play. Because my SIM is no have MB, also no have balance. Now go to Play Store and search WIRATUN Wireton. Now open Wireton. Go to server list. So many server have there. You choose any server. All server is good working. Now I choose server Canada 3. Okay, click. One click, working. See, now go to 3-dot menu. Go to logs. Okay, it's okay. Go to statuses. It's also okay. Now back to home. It's good working. Now again show YouTube. See, YouTube is working good working YouTube. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe my channel, also like, comment, share. Thank you very much.